The other way. Okay, Charles. Uh, okay. Um, okay. Let's control Z out of this. Okay, control Z out of it. Okay. All right.
Yep.
Good. So now let's go back to the rectangle tool. Start in this corner right here. But now we're going to change our dimension to 34 feet, right? 34 feet, apostrophe,
Yeah, I eat it.
16 feet.
No, I don't know. You gotta ask Ida. My bad, Mr. W. I'm talking like that.
Okay, let's stay focused, Charles. Okay.
Yeah, he called me for something.
Okay. All right. Okay. 34. You see. I'm just changing the orientation. Now it's going to be 34 feet, right? 16 feet.
Okay.
And enter that. So now it should look like this because I simply just changed the orientation. So I'm going to do a zoom extent.
There we go.
You got it?
Yep.
Okay, so it's getting better. Okay, so let's go do an offset. Offset. I'm over here, just left click once. Okay, I'm sorry. I always do that with this offset thing here. Okay. Okay. I click it and then hold, don't release it. Left click, but hold the left mouse button down. I keep doing it the other way. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and then just move it here. And then now type in 6 inches. Okay, okay. Didn't like that, okay? Offset.
Mr. W, when it comes to inches, right, you use the quotation marks?
Yes.
Okay.
There we go, so 6 inches. Okay, now Charles, you're at this point, you should be able to watch those videos to create these interior walls. It's just very simple.
Okay.
Okay, very simple. Okay, all right, so I'm just going to save the drawing here, okay. I'll make sure you save often.
Okay.
Okay, Charles. Okay, Nate and Anson.
Yes.
You finished watching all of the videos, right?
Yes.
So it kind of gives you a clue as to how to use these modification tools, okay? The basic ones, and it gives you an indication of how to use the 3D warehouse, right?
Yes.
Okay. Let me just do something real quick here. Okay. What we are going to do now, okay, let me go to ISO mode, okay? Okay, let's go ISO mode, okay? And then I'm going to extrude these walls up to 9 feet, okay? Okay, and let's see. Okay, all right. I'm just gonna share my screen with you now. Okay, I'll just do it. Oh, you can see my screen, can't you? Right?
Yes.
Okay, good. I didn't think I was sharing. Okay. Of course, you guys are further along than I am with this model right here. Okay. You've added your addition, right? Good. And you've added your, well, you've added your door, you added your addition, and then you added your door and window openings. Is that correct?
Yep.
Yep. So here's what we're going to do now. Okay. I'm going to pretend like this is the corner of my addition here, okay, right here, okay. This is the corner. One of the corners of yours. Let's see. The Anson, yes. All right, that's fine. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. Let's go to the 3D warehouse. Right here. All right. And let us make sure that we're not choosing products, but we're choosing at the top here, it should say products and something else. I can't remember what.
I see models.
Okay, good. Choose models.
Okay.
Choose models. Okay. Now, when you first use when you try to download a model from the warehouse, you need to sign in. So you're going to sign in using your Deltec email, and then you can choose any kind of password. Okay, for example, let's go ahead and try this. Search for Craft Made. Base cabinets.
All right. Found some.
Okay. Good. Craft Made base cabinets, right?
Mm-hmm.
It brings you to the screen here, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now, if you let's just try to download. Let's try to download something. It doesn't matter. Let's try to download this pullout right here. Okay. So there's a download button right here. Now, probably when you try to download it, it's going to ask you that you need to sign in first. Is that correct?
I actually already made an account, so it's the same as yours.
Oh, you already made an account. I appreciate that. Good. Who's talking just then? That was
Anson.
Anson. Okay, Anson, you already made the account. Nate, have you made an account as well?
Yeah, we're all good.
Okay, excellent. All right. So now your initial task here, okay, is to browse through these base cabinets. What you're trying to find is a color and a style that you like. Okay. Don't worry about the function right now. Just worry about the color and the style. Okay.
All right.
Okay. So it's going to take you a moment to do that. I'll stop sharing, and I want to add something to my model while you're doing that. All right.
Hey, Mr. W. I'm
Yes.
at the Portal tab, and it's only the two same ones again, the two same launch tabs. What was that free trial downloaded from Wednesday?
I want you to go back and watch the video, man. Okay? Okay, Xavier?
Yeah, I'm going now.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. W, what was the very first view called again?
Camera?
Yeah, I went there.
Okay. So now are you starting to add the interior walls? Yep.
Yes, I'm looking at the video, and I was doing a little spinny thing that you're doing right now in this video. I was just looking for the startup view that you were at.
Okay, I'm not quite following you. Okay, I'll give you a second. Give me a second, I'll get with you, all right?
Okay.
That's not the way it should look. Okay, now, okay? Now use the push-pull. Okay, no. I didn't want you to, okay.
You want me to start working
Yeah,
on it
Charles.
before you walk?
Okay, let's see if we can go back to, go to camera, and go to top view. I'll go to standard views. Top view. Good. That's where you should be. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay. So yes. Okay. Let's see. What is this here? Okay. Okay. So, stop sharing, Charles, please.
All
Okay. All right. So let me. Okay, Charles. You can see my screen, right? No, you can't.
right. It's on the
I
sheet.
got you. I got you. You can't see my screen. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. So here's where you are over here, right? You
Third.
like this. Don't worry about this one over here. This is something else. All right.
Right.
But here's where you are. So here's what you're going to do. Now, I'm going to. I want you to refer to a copy of the existing floor plan, please. Let me just. Okay. You need to make reference to this existing floor plan. Okay. You have it.
Now I'm about to go to our thing to get it. Mr. W, what week was it in again?
Okay, Charles,
Yeah,
any reference to it?
yeah, I'm here, but I was trying to find out what week was that paper in right there.
Pardon me?
This paper that I'm looking at, I was trying to find out where's that at in the contents.
Oh, so because you can't, okay. Um, it's in weeks 7 and 8.
It's the site plan, right?
No, it's not the site plan, it's the existing floor plan.
Okay, I see it right there. Alrighty.
You got it?
Yep, I'm here.
Okay, good. Now, what we're about to do, we're about to create these interior walls. Interior walls.
Okay.
The thickness of the interior walls is 4 inches. Okay, the thickness, the width of them. All right. So now we're about to create this living area here. We're not gonna worry about any door openings or anything like that. We're just gonna show the walls right now. Okay.
All right.
This living area here measures to be 10 feet 9 inches by 15 feet. See that?
Yep.
9 by 15 feet. Got that?
Yep.
Okay, good. So now I'm going to go back to my Google SketchUp and I'm going to create that. I'm going to create that living area. All right. So now, in order for you to do that, here's what we're going to do. We're going to use the measuring tool here. See the measuring tool?
Yep.
Okay. We're going to select that, left click. We're going to come over here to this corner, so where we're going to start. Okay. And you're going to left click here. And then you're going to move your cursor in this direction, keeping it on axis. And then you're going to, what's that dimension? 10 feet, 9 inches. You see that?
Yep.
Okay, you can enter that. And that's going to give you a point right there.
Okay.
You got it?
Yep, I'm about to do it right now, Mr. W.
Okay. Charles, you got it?
I'm doing it now, Mr. W. It wouldn't let me put the thing in, so I got to restart it.
Okay. Charles, I want you to follow with me, okay? Okay.
Huh?
Can you follow along with me?
Yes, that's what I was trying to do, Mr. W.
Okay, so select the measuring tool here. You got that right?
Yep.
Okay, come over here, right, to this corner right here and just left click.
Okay.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now move your cursor this way, right? You want to keep your cursor on axis, right? You don't want it to do this. You want to keep it on axis, right?
Yep.
So now you want to type in that distance. It's going to be 10 feet, right? 9 inches. And that should give you a point right there. Got it?
Yeah, I have it.
Okay. All right. So then now you want to use the line tool. Line tool. What we can see line tool right here. Choose that. Left click. Okay. Come back over here to this reference point. Okay. And draw a line down. Keep it on axis, right? On axis. See? It's on axis. On axis. On axis. Okay. Good. Now, I just want you to follow me here. All right. So now that's the inside wall dimension, right? And I said the interior walls are 4 inches, right? So I'm going to go back to the measuring tool. Okay. I'm going to go back to this point right here. Okay. And I need to create the thickness of that wall, which is 4 inches. Okay. Yep. That gave me a reference point there. And then I'm going to use a line tool. Okay. Keeping it on axis, coming down right there. Good. So now I've created the thickness of that living area wall. You got that?
Yeah, mister, I'm trying to follow you.
Okay, I'll let you work on it.
All right.
I'll let you work on it. All right. Again, these instructions are included in the video recordings. Same thing I'm doing right now.
I'm looking at them while doing it.
Okay. All right. So I'm gonna stop sharing. Okay. Okay. Anson, let's start with you. Okay. Have you decided what style of craft-made base cabinets you want to use?
Yes, I did.
Okay, cool. All right. Share your screen with me, please.
Scroll back down to where they were.
Please. Okay.
It was just the white ones.
The white ones.
Yeah, just a really simple one.
Okay.
These ones.
Okay. All right. Let's see how we're going to do this. Okay. I want you to let's see here. I'm trying to see the best approach. Okay, I'll stop sharing for a second, and let me just do it too. Okay, so let me go back here. I know I'm going back and forth, but that's just the way it is. Okay. All right. Okay, I've added just an addition here. Okay, good. I want to go back and review one other thing though. Okay. We made all of this. Okay. Hold on a second.
Were you trying to share your screen or?
Oh no, I will in a moment.
Oh, okay.
I will in a moment.
Hey, Mr. W.
Hold on a second. I'm in the middle of something right now. I'll get right back with you.
Already.
Okay. So now you can see my screen, right? Okay. So what I want to do here, okay, I want to go to the warehouse. Okay, searching for craft-made base cabinets. I'm just going to choose one. It doesn't matter. I'll just choose this one right here. Okay. Yes, and then I want to download it directly into my drawing. Yes. And you're always going to start in a corner. Okay.
Okay.
All right. You're going to start in the corner, and I'm going to tell you what corner. Well, this is Anderson, right? So you only have one corner. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is by example. Okay. So now I've downloaded it. So now what I want to do, I want to right click and go to dynamic components. You see that right there?
Yeah.
And then I want to go to component options. Okay, good. Now the reason why I did this is because I want to see the attributes of this particular model. Okay, and we know we just want to deal with the attributes first. Okay, so I see that the style is Putnam, right? See that? Putnam. You see that there?
Yes, I do.
Cool. So that's what you want to know. You want to know what particular craft make style that you're using, okay? Because it's going to be helpful. And you know, as you've watched the dynamic input, these are dynamic, so I can actually change the size of them, right? If I take this and move this over here someplace. So yeah, good. So now, right now, I'm using a 36 W, a BA36, but then it gives me other options here. Where I can use. Right now it's left, but I can make it. If I want it to be right-handed, I could choose this and apply that.
Okay.
Right?
Yep.
Okay. And you can do that with various sizes too, right? You can change the size. Okay.
Okay.
So that's how the dynamic components work. Okay. Now putting them. So now see what I can do now. I can go back to the warehouse and I can close out of this. Okay. Go back to the warehouse. Okay. So now I can search for, let's see, how craft made Putnam. I'm going to put in the actual style. Putnam base cabinets. I can make it more specific now. Now that I know what style I'm using. Okay, let's enter that. Aha, that's beautiful. See that? So now what that does, that gives me all of the Putnam style base cabinets.
Okay. Yeah, that makes it easier.
It makes it so much easier. Okay. So now with you, Anson, you are starting, as I stop sharing here. Okay. You're going to start in this corner here. Okay. This corner right here. And what you have a blind cabinet right here, don't you?
Yes.
So that's the first base cabinet that you're going to put in. So now that you have your style, you can probably filter it out, craft made, Putnam blind cabinet.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
And just put that in and then go from there.
And then go from there. Okay. And remember that if it doesn't have the you can change the length, right, to match your particular design or the size, that is.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Nate, were you kind of following that?
Yes.
Okay, good. So Nate, so here's what you're doing. What particular style of craft made cabinet are you using?
Should I share my screen?
Oh, absolutely.
I'm going with the darker brown ones.
Okay, good. So now let's just download one of those.
Actually, I already have one downloaded.
Okay, cool. Okay, so let me see. All right.
I was just playing around with it, but
Oh, absolutely. That's exactly what you should be doing. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay. Good. So now you know that when you go back to search for it, what particular style is that?
let me. I think it's.
No, just come down. No, let's come down to dynamic
Dynamic. Yep.
components. Right click and go to component options. Yeah, right there. And scroll down, please.
This
So you're
is-
using Saratoga. Oh, I can never say that word right. Saratoga, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. So all you gotta do is search for craft made Saratoga base cabinets, and it should give you the others. Now, could you close out of that, please?
Oh yeah.
I want you to go ahead and move that corner cabinet. Could you exit out of the component option? Yeah, I want you to go ahead and move that corner cabinet against the wall. Right? Make sure you may have to orbit around or orbit so you can make sure that the base cabinet is sitting on the floor and it's adjacent to the walls.
Where am I at?
Okay. Do a zoom extent. No. Okay. You see. Okay. Let me show you something. Could you stop sharing for a second?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So let me. Okay. All right. So let's say that, sometimes when you're moving things around, right? And you say, well, where am I? So you can do a zoom extent here. Okay. Reason why I have this extra plan out here, that's why it's not doing it right. But when you do a zoom extent, it will bring your model and center it within the drawing area. All right.
Okay.
That'll help you reorient yourself. Okay. So here's what I'm saying. We need to make sure that your base cabinet is really against the wall and on the floor. So I chose the move command right here. Okay. Then I want to zoom in and I want to choose this point right there. And I want to bring it over. Okay. Until it there we go. Now see, this is the condition we have. So now I'm going to do a zoom extent. Now I can see it. All right. Okay. All right. So now, and then I want to move it also. I want to move it again. I want to move it from here. So I'm zooming in because I want that corner right there. I want to move it here. Then I want to move it all the way over here. Okay. Let's see what I have. Do a zoom extents again so I can see it better. Okay. And I can orbit around. Okay. Okay. That looks pretty good, like it's on the floor. And then I can orbit to the bottom. Okay.
Okay.
That I can orbit to the bottom and it is on the floor. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So go ahead. Now with that, you should be able to rock and roll.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Xavier.
Yes.
Okay, what was your issue, Xavier?
No, I was just saying that I got it up.
You got it up? Good. All right, so now are you watching the videos?
Yeah, I was watching them. I just paused it to tell you my situation.
Thank you, sir. I'm so glad that you have it launched. So now we can move forward, okay? Okay,
Thank you.
could you share your screen with me, please?
Oh, I'm on my computer. I have to join on the computer Zoom.
Say it again.
So I have to download Zoom on my computer and join through that. Because I'm on my iPad on my Zoom and I got the computer next to me.
Okay, no, I was talking to Charles.
Oh, sorry, I was mute myself.
No, that's
My
okay.
bad, Mr. W. I'm still struggling to.
That's okay. Well, I'm gonna help you do it through it. I'm gonna stop sharing so you can share your screen with me.
Okay. I don't know why it's not letting me do it though.
That's okay. We're gonna work through it. All right. What is this black area right here? What is that?
What black area, Mr. W? You talking
Oh, I
about?
see a black area on my screen. Anyway, all right. Okay, Charles, I see that you have this point here. Okay, that's good. But what is that distance? I don't think it's 10'9". It was 10 foot something else. So go back to the measuring tape. Go back to the measuring tape. Left click on that. Okay, and then choose it. Okay. Oh, okay. All right.
You see the problem, Mr. W? Like, I did exactly what you did. And
Uh-huh.
every time I would try to go down to type in the thing, it won't let me type in 10'9". And every time I try to do it manually, it gives me 10'9" and like 1/8 or something like that.
Okay. All right. So let's try it again. Let's do a Control Z. Just one time, Control Z.
All right.
Okay. All right, stop right there. All right, so now choose your measuring tool.
Yep, I have it.
Okay. Just choose that point right there. That first point you chose, right there. Okay. So now move your cursor to the left. Okay. Okay. Stop right there. Okay. Just stop right there. All right. So now go down to the measurement box. And type in and no. Oh, okay. No. Okay. No. Don't move your cursor down there. Don't move your cursor. No. Don't move your cursor. Leave your cursor there. Okay. Now just type in 10 feet 9 inches. 10 feet 9. No comma. No comma. No comma. Go ahead.
Okay, finally. I didn't know that you could click just type in the numbers down there. That's
Right.
probably,
That's what I wanted to show you. Okay. All right. So now you use the line tool.
the same thing Mr. W did for her.
No. Okay. Now now use the line tool. I'm sorry. I know you're not quite familiar with this yet. Go over to where the eraser is next to the eraser, the line tool. Yep. Choose the line tool. Okay. So now go back to that last point that you just created. Okay. Now draw a line down. Go move the cursor down. And keep it on axis when it's in color like that. No, okay, that's not on axis. You got to keep it on axis. Okay, keep going down. Yeah, keep going down. Until you touch the other wall. There we go. Okay, now left click on that, please. There we go. Now we're making progress. Okay. Now the thickness of that wall is 4 inches. All right. So you can go back to the top point or the bottom point. It doesn't matter. Oh, no, here's what you got to do. Yep. Go back to go back. Here's what we're doing. We're using the tape measure and the line tools to create these interior walls.
All right, so the pencil and the
Measuring tape.
Okay.
Okay. Go back. Zoom in. Okay, right. Yes, that's where you want to be. All right. So now left click on that.
All right.
Okay, move your cursor to the left. Keeping it on axis. Now, okay, you can stop there. So now just type in 4 inches. Leave your cursor there and type in 4 inches. Type in 4 inches.
There we go.
Okay. Enter that, please.
I did.
That's not right. That's not right. Okay, try that again. Go back to the measuring tool. Yep, choose that point. Move your cursor now. Now type in 4 inches. Yes, okay. There we go. There we go. All right. So now go back to the line tool. So, all right. Go back. Yep. So now draw a line all the way down, just like you did before. And you don't have to draw that slow. You can move it. Okay. All you gotta do is keep it on axis. There we go. Left click. Yeah. See how that's working?
Yep.
Okay. Now, save the drawing, please.
I'm doing it right now.
Okay. So stop sharing for me for a second. I want to share something with you. Okay. So now that's the process that we're going to be using to create these interior walls. So now we just created the living area. Okay. So now we can start with bedroom number 2. Okay. So now you're going to start from this corner here. And this bedroom measures to be 8'10" by 8'8". See that? 8'10" by 8'8".
All right.
Got me? Okay, so here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna go to the tape measuring tool, and you're gonna put your point right there. Left click on that, and then you're gonna move your cursor along this wall, keeping it on axis, and then you're just gonna type in 8'10", and it's gonna bring you to that point.
Okay.
And then you're gonna use your measuring tool. Okay, you're gonna select that point. You're gonna move your cursor up this way, and you're gonna type in 8 feet 8 inches.
Okay.
And that's how you're gonna do all those walls.
All right.
Okay. If you have a problem, just let me know.
Yes, sir. I can do this.
Oh, yes, absolutely. Nate and Anson, I forgot to share something with you.
Okay.
Okay, I guess let me share this with you. Okay, when you are adding these base cabinets, make sure that you, hold on, make sure that you are adding them outside the group, right? Outside the group, because we want the base, the cabinetry to be separate from the walls. Okay, because you know that last class we made this a group. Oops, escape out of that. we made all this a group, right? The walls and the openings, right? We right clicked and we made it a group. Okay, so it's all grouped together. Okay, all the walls. All right. So now, if I just left click outside here, okay, I close the group, right? Right, I close the group. So make sure that the group is closed, right? Because you don't want the base cabinets to be part of the wall grouping.
Okay, got it.
So okay, so you understand that, right? Okay,
Yeah.
okay, if I select this, okay, all right, and then the group is active, right? So if I just simply click outside of it, it's deactivated and I'm outside the group. All right. I'm sorry for repeating that 5,000 times, but you got it.
That's fine. I'm actually having trouble with one thing.
Okay, share the screen with me.
All right. So I'm trying to find cabinet that'll go like in here. It's supposed to be 6 wide, but the smallest I can find is 9, and it won't let me change the.
And it won't let you change the size of it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So there's a compromise here. There's a compromise. Okay. There's a compromise. Let's see. The issue is sometimes the warehouse and your design doesn't quite match. Okay.
Yeah.
Why don't we do this? Okay. Just change that to right now it's 6 inches, right? Change.
Yeah.
Use the 9-inch and take that 3 inches off of something else. Okay.
The only problem would be like I have my sinks centered under the window, so if I
got you.
move that,
I
it'll like
got you.
shift.
I got you.
Can I put just like a little 6-inch like filler piece essentially?
You could do that. Yes. Create it as a surface, and then we'll go back and we'll paint it to match the color of the cabinetry.
Okay, cool. I can do that.
Okay. All right, now just create it as a surface.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Hey, Nate,
Yes.
let's do the base cabinets first before we add any appliances, okay?
Okay, yeah. It was just in my drawing, I'm going from the corner and towards the left.
Mm-hmm.
I have the first cabinet, and obviously I'm going to be hitting the range, so I'm not sure. Should I just skip that?
Yes. Just make sure you add the adequate space for it relative to your product selection sheet.
Okay.
Yep. Because that's typically what they do. They install all the cabinetry first in construction, and then they come back and insert the appliances into place.
Okay.
That's the way we're gonna do it.
All right, Mr. W. I'm not understanding one thing about the other part of the room.
Mm-hmm.
At the end of the wall, there's like
Okay, share your screen with me, because now we can share screens and we can talk about it.
now I'm actually starting to understand how to do this stuff. I was gonna move forward. Right here, that makes it look like a T.
Uh-huh.
I'm trying to figure out the inches or foot of it, and it's saying 2 feet 6 inches, 6 feet, 8 inches.
Okay, all right. Stop sharing.
And
Okay. Okay, and I'm gonna share with you. Let me see if I can find, let me watch what I do. Okay, let's go share. Okay, so here we are, here we go over here. Okay, let's go top view. Okay, Charles, here we are here, right?
yep,
Okay, so now listen, bedroom number 2 measures to be 8'10", okay, wide, right?
yep,
You see that dimension, right? So the first dimension is always the width of the space. Okay?
yep. I got that already, Mr. W.
Yeah, I know you do, but I just want to explain it to you. Okay? All right. So now, here's what I'm going to do. Come over here. Okay. And I'm going to go take measure. Okay. Take measure. I want to start the point right here. Zoom in a little bit. I roll in, zoom in a little. Good. So I'm going to keep it on axis. And that width is 8 feet 10 inches. Into that, there we go. So now that I have a reference point, now I can go to the line tool and draw that as a line. So now I go to the line tool. Now go back to this point right here. And the height of this space is 8 feet 8 inches. So 8 feet 8 inches into that. Okay. Zoom extents, come back over here. Cool. Now, see, I drew it as a line. Not, I didn't make 2 reference points like you have.
Okay.
One here, and then I went to the line tool, and I drew this as a line. That is 8 foot 8 from here to here. So now I'm still in the line tool. So now I can go here. All right.
All right.
Okay. So now here's what I can do here. So now I need to give this wall some thickness. I need to give this wall 4 inch thickness and this wall 4 inch thickness. So I can go use the measuring tool. I can come back down here. This is my reference point. Okay, come over here. Make this 4 inches. Good. Now, line tool. I'm just gonna bring a line, and I can really take the pass. Good. I'm keeping it on axis. Good. Then I'm gonna come over here. Measuring tape. I'm gonna give this wall some thickness. Go here. Okay, 4 inches. Okay. Whoops. Is it there? Yep. Line tool. Okay, and I can really take it fast. Good, good. So now I can erase this line, because I don't really need that line anymore. You see how I did it? I know I went fast. I know I went fast. Charles, are you with me?
Yeah, I'm looking. I was just trying to figure out the measurements for the horizontal line.
Okay. You mean this line right here?
Yes, because I'm trying to look at you and do mine at the same time.
Okay, all right. Okay. Okay.
Never mind, Mr. Libby. I just went across.
Hmm?
I just went across because I think that's what you did.
Yeah, exactly, exactly.
Okay, I
You don't
thought
have to worry about, yeah, because once you draw this line right here from this reference point on axis, you draw it up to 8 feet, 8 inches.
right.
All you gotta do then is draw a line from here to there on axis.
Okay.
That's all you gotta do.
Yep. Well, that part's done.
Okay, okay. So now I want you to see if you can figure it out. I'm trying to get you to read this floor plan.
No, that's the
Okay.
thing I was figuring out. I'm confused on how to make the wall that looks like a T for the other side of the bedroom.
Okay, all right. So follow me. So I'm gonna go a new reference point here. No, new reference point. My goodness. Tape measure. Okay, so now I need to give this wall some thickness. So I'm gonna come over here, 4 inches. Okay, that's my new reference point, right? Good.
Yep.
So line 2, keep it on axis. I'm gonna take it past. Okay, good. All right. And then I'm gonna come over here. A new reference point. Okay. So just watch what I do. I know you're trying to do it with me, but just watch what I do, and then if I have to go back and repeat it, I will. Okay. Let line 2. Let's get the right point. I need to be right here. Let me zoom in. Okay, I need to be right here. Good. So now I'm just gonna take it past. Cool. All right. So now you can see that this is bedroom number 2, right? That's done. Walls.
All right.
All right. Now, what I want to create now, okay? What I want to create now is this closet right here. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me save this. I'm not going to worry about this wall here right now. I'm not going to worry about that wall right there. Okay.
Okay.
But I could. I could. I could. Okay. Okay, so let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back to that. Since that was your area of confusion. Let's go back to that. Hopefully I'm not confusing you too much. Okay, all right. So now this wall actually continues. So you know what I can do? I can just come over here to do. And right now I'm just gonna draw it all the way over to there. Good. Okay. Line 2. Okay, I'm gonna take this and draw it all the way over to here. See that? So why don't you go ahead and do that? Do you have this wall and this wall in as lines, Charles?
My bad. You couldn't hear me. Yeah, I'm doing that as we speak.
Okay. Here's the question: do you have this wall and this wall in already as lines?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So now just go ahead from this point here, draw this line over from this point right here, draw that line over there.
All right.
Xavier, do you have anything to share with me?
Say that again?
Do you have anything to share with me?
No, I'm just looking over the videos. I'm starting
I
off
tell
with
you, hey man, but you gotta, okay, here's what you gotta do, right? Okay, while we have this time together, all right, you need to make some progress so you and I can work together, all right? Because if you spend the entire class watching the videos, which I'm gonna start giving you as homework, we kind of missed the opportunity for us to work together collectively. Okay.
yeah.
So you need to kind of watch these videos on your own time so that when you come to class, you have something that we can start working on together. We have probably like 3-4 more weeks left in this class, and we have a lot to do with this model, okay? So I'm telling you now, you're gonna have to work outside of our class hours to get this complete.
Okay.
Yep, you won't be able to, if you wait to work on this just in class, during our class time together, you will not get it complete. Okay, so I'm here to help you, but I'm really here to guide you. I kind of give you the information, and then I want you to process the information, and then ask me questions. All right.
All right.
But it's imperative that tonight that you get started on the model. Okay.
I was doing a living room first. The living room dimensions, the 10 foot by 9 inches.
Okay. Are you working on that now?
Yep.
Okay. So when you finish with that, share your screen with me. All right.
All right.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, Charles, you got those, you have those walls in?
Yes, sir. I'm making my other line now. I don't know why, but it makes one line darker than the other. I don't know if that's
Don't even worry about that.
okay.
Because if you look at my screen, this line here is darker than the others. That's
Okay, I just want to make sure.
yeah, that's just a Google SketchUp thing. Don't even worry about that. Oh, share your screen with me so I can make sure that I'm right about that. Share your screen, please. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Mm-hmm. Okay, the line tool is active, right? Mm-hmm. Yep. There we go. That's it.
Thank God.
Okay. So stop sharing.
All right.
And I'm going to show you. So now what you need to do is put in this closet, right? Don't worry about the door opening.
Okay.
Just put in the walls. Now this closet from inside to inside, you see it has a dimension of 2 feet 4 inches.
Yep.
5 feet from here to there, and the walls are 4 inches. So let's go ahead and get it done, Charles.
All right.
Okay.
Excuse me, Miss W.
Yes.
So right now I did all the lot. I mean, should I share the screen with you, or I should
Yes.
suppose
Yeah.
like take a picture?
No. We're no longer sending PDFs now. Now we share the screens. Okay.
Okay.
You can share the screen with me. Okay, good. Um, is your addition really that large? Is it really? Gia,
So I,
is your addition really that large?
yes, at least how I measure was like this.
Okay, all right. Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, so that looks good then. I have a question for you though. You see, this wall, the all of the exterior walls should be 6 inches, and the right wall of your addition seems to be not 6 inches. I think you made that 4 inches.
Oh, here. Oh, yes. I saw.
Yeah, it needs to be 6 inches as well.
So why should do after I fix it?
Okay, then I want you to clear all of the intersections. All of the intersections should be clear. Okay, and then we're going to go to ISO mode, and we are going to extrude these walls up to 9 feet. That's in the video. Okay, but initially, you need to make sure all the intersections of the walls are clear, so that when you pull them up to 9 feet, all the walls come up together. That makes sense?
So,
Okay, first of all, just intersections, and get back with me, all right?
yes.
Okay. Gia, when I say that all the intersections should be clear, that this is what I'm talking about, right? Where one wall meets the other. Okay, using your erase tool, we need to erase all these lines out like this. Are you with me?
Yes, and I did it.
Okay, good.
Also, for one, I did have one confused. So one intersection, right? I clean the line of it, erase the line of it, but
Uh-huh.
still have the dot of the line. Like,
Oh, that's fine. That's fine.
is that okay? Okay.
Yeah, as long as the intersections are clear, all right? If the dots remain, see, I just cleared, I just erased this line here, but the dot remained. I'm not worried about that. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna clear this intersection here. Oops, Control Z out of that. Zoom in so I can get the right line. Okay. And I'm gonna clear this intersection right here. All right, so now all my intersections are clear. And of course, your model includes your addition over here. So once all the intersections are clear, okay, so here's what you're going to do. Whoops. Okay, let's go back to top view. Okay, so here's what you're going to do. Gia, are you watching?
Yes, I'm with him.
Okay, good. So here's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna go to camera. And then we're gonna go to standard views. And then we're gonna go to isometric view. Standard views, isometric view. Okay? We're gonna left click on that. Good. Okay? So now, what we're going to do now, we're going to bring up all of these walls up to 9 feet. All right, so we're going to go to the push-pull tool right here. Okay, good. So when I select the exterior wall, they all are lighting up, and I think they all should, this is clear. So I need to be here. Then I'm going to pull this up. Okay, let's see what's going on. Why what isn't it let me do it? Okay. There we go. So now I'm going to pull it up part way, and then we're going to type in 9 feet. 9 feet. See that? 9 feet. Pull it up part way and stop, and type in 9 feet. Into that. Good. So now all the walls are up to 9 feet. After you do that, save the drawing, please. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, good. So now, what we're going are we going to keep going with you? Okay. What we're going to do now is to add the door openings. The door openings per the sample, per the existing floor plan. So just let me save my drawing as well. Let's save this. Okay, and then I'm going to come over here. I'm going to stop sharing. You need to make reference to the existing floor plan, okay?
Yes. Thank you.
Good. You got it? All right.
Yes.
Now, when we look at this existing floor plan, it's giving us a clue as to the size of the doors. For example, the entrance door here is 3 feet wide and is 6'8" high above the floor, okay? 3 feet wide by 6'8", okay? So I'm gonna, and this door is centered about this wall, all right? So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go back to, Google SketchUp, okay? And this is my living area. So here's my front wall, right? So I'm just gonna orbit around this way, good. Now, that door is at the center of this wall right here. So I'm gonna use a line tool, okay? And I'm gonna find the midpoint. That is right there, that's the midpoint, good. And I'm just gonna draw a line on axis, okay? And it's gonna be 6'8". Okay, that's a height of the door. The door is 3 feet wide, so I'm gonna come over here to the left. I'm gonna 1'6", which is half of 3 feet. Okay, I'm drawing another line. I'm keeping it on axis. Good. Then I'm gonna come over here and I'm going to draw another line. Okay, 1'6". Good. Keeping it on axis. Good. Then I'm going to erase this line here that I don't need right here. Okay. Okay. So now, in order for me to create an opening, all I got to do now is use the push-pull tool right here. Okay. Select it. Yeah, see, that's the surface, right? Select that surface, and I can push it in partly, okay, or push it all the way through. If you push it and it doesn't go all the way through, just push it in partly and type in 6 inches. So did you follow that? I know it went kind of fast, but did you follow it?
Yes.
Okay, so go ahead and create that door opening for me.
Mr. W, when you're done with him, I want to show you how far I've got.
Okay, yeah, I can stop sharing.
All right. All right, I'll share one real quick.
Okay. Okay. Okay, the depth of the closet is 2 feet 4 inches. So,
That's what I have right here.
okay, good. And then at the end of that line to the left, all you gotta do is draw another line downward using the line tool. Yep, so go to the line, yep, okay, yep. Mm-hmm. Good. So now all you gotta do is make that wall 4 inches thick,
Okay.
both of them, okay?
All righty.
You can actually stop it right there, or you can take it past or stop it right there if you want to.
All right.
You got it. Good. So now you just gotta make the other wall. No, so go back to the other point, okay, and make that top wall. Well, not there. Don't start there. No, don't start there.
Okay. Where you want me to start, Mr. W?
Start from the inside corner.
Okay. All right, hold on.
Okay, listen. You see that arrow go up to the icons. You see that arrow pointing up
That's right.
all the way to your left, all the way to your left. Right. That's your select tool. So like when you enter command and then you want to select another command, if you if you select that select tool there, it allows you to change the command. Okay,
Okay.
select and then choose a line. Choose the
Tape measure.
choose the tape measure. Yes. There we go. So now you want to go up 4 inches. Nope. Nope. Keep it on axis. Keep it on axis. Just take it past.
All right.
Are you already in the line? Yes, there we go. Just take it past. Well, not quite that far.
Oh, my bad.
That's all right. You got it. All right. So now you can erase the lines you don't need.
Okay. Why?
No. Oh yeah. Okay. All right. There we go. Let's bring it across. Uh, Okay, but right there, stop right there. Left click, please. Left click. Okay, so now go to the erasing tool and erase the lines you don't need. Not that line.
Oh, my bad.
Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Bring that line back. Hit Control Z. There we go. So now go to the erase tool. And go to the left of that. The left more. Yeah.
This was baby.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go.
Okay, no, you haven't erased the lines yet. Yeah, erase that line right there. That one, yeah, erase that line. And then erase the long line.
This one, right?
Yes, sir. Look at the floor plan. Look at the floor plan. Okay. So now what you need to do is to create, you can stop sharing for a second. Okay. So what you need to do now is create this bathroom area, and you'll be almost done with the existing floor plan.
All right.
Measures to be from here to there, 7 feet. See that? And then from here to there, 6 feet. From here to the inside is 7 feet wide. And then
Okay.
from here, inside the wall, the inside wall here is 6 feet.
Okay, I'm looking.
Okay, why don't you go ahead and do that?
All right.
Yes, Charles, I want you to kind of read that floor plan, existing floor plan, and see if you can understand those dimensions. All right? Okay. Let me see. Anson, share your screen with me. I want to see what you're up to. See how far you've gotten.
All right, just a sec.
No problem. Good. Okay. Let me look at your. Okay.
I had a few other things, some problems that I couldn't find. So like I was gonna make this myself, the little wine rack on the end of the.
Okay, that's cool. I love that.
Then I had to get this for the microwave because I couldn't find the right thing.
That's good. I like that as well. Okay. So now what's the bottom? Zoom around to that island so I can see the front of it. Okay. So you kind of made that.
This isn't so that microwave piece doesn't match like the rest of them, but I couldn't find the base cabinet.
I got you. So we'll just paint it. We just paint it to be the same color. That's cool.
Okay. So,
All right. So now, so that you can work on this outside of class, okay?
Mhm.
Because we're going to end class in a few minutes. Then you can work on your wall cabinets. Same scenario. You're using the Putnam or the Saratoga,
Sedona.
huh?
Sedona.
Okay, Sedona. Okay, all right, whatever that is. Okay, so let's and you're using 36-inch wall cabinets, right? So
Yes.
yes. So the top of your from the top of your countertop to the underside of your wall cabinets is going to be typically 18 inches
18 inches.
from the top. Well, you don't have the countertop in there yet. So so typically, if you're using 30-inch cabinets, it's going to be 8 feet to the top of your cabinets, but you have 6 more inches of cabinet, don't you? You're still
Yeah.
right? Is that right?
Yeah, the 36-inch.
Okay, good. So, from the floor to the top of your wall cabinets is going to be 8 feet 6 inches.
Okay. 8 feet 6 inches. So I can do a guideline for that.
Yep. You just make a guideline for that and just walk with it. Okay.
All right.
Nathan, share your screen with me so I can see your progress.
Okay. I was just experimenting with the wall cabinet since I found them.
Sure.
Um,
Okay, so now I'm kind of curious as to what's going on. Okay,
yeah, so I left room for the dishwasher and in the range.
correct.
Work on
Okay,
that.
but let's talk about those wall cabinets. Okay,
Okay.
could you orbit around? Could you orbit? Okay, okay, good. Now question for you is, why? Okay, why did you make the wall cabinets? Okay. Okay. So you made all your wall cabinets 12 inches tall in height.
Well, that's not the finish. I was just experimenting with them.
Okay, but okay. No, but I'm looking at your enlarged plan.
Yeah, it would be 12.
Okay. All right. So let's change that. What is okay? So the height of your utility cabinet is 96 inches.
96 inches, yes.
Okay, good. So that means from the floor to the top of your wall cabinets should be 8 feet. Okay. And my suggestion is for you to use 30-inch wall cabinets instead of 12-inch wall cabinets.
Okay.
Okay. And then here's my other suggestion. If orbit around so I can see the edge of the other direction. Okay, the other direction. There we go. All right. So now we see how that wall cabinet is right up against that window jamb.
Yeah.
I want you to provide at least 6 inches of clearance there.
Okay.
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 And then you're gonna make all those wall cabinets. You're gonna make all those wall cabinets 30 inches in height, except for the one over the refrigerator.
Okay.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Okay.
I'm done in the bathroom, Mr. W.
Oh my goodness! Did you really do it that fast?
Yes.
Okay, share your screen with me. I want to see this for sure. I want to see it. If you did it that fast, that made me happy. All right. So now, good. So now what we have to do now, we need to add that little offset at the bathtub.
Alrighty.
And you can figure that out, can't you?
Yes, the offset is to
Oh, okay, let me show you. Uh, let me, are you sharing with me? I'll stop sharing right now.
okay.
Okay, here's what I'm talking about. I'm talking about this offset right here, and it's giving you the dimensions.
Yep.
4, 5 feet, right? Create that little jog in the wall right there for the bathtub.
Okay.
All right. And then after you do that, I want you to use your enlarged kitchen plan and then add your kitchen addition to the existing plan.
Okay.
All right. So starting with all the other, okay, all right, okay. Hello, everyone. It is getting to be close to the 8 o'clock hour, okay? Anson and Nate, you're gonna be working on your wall cabinets between now and next class, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Good. Any other questions? Jill, you have a question?
Ishmael, do you talk to me?
Pardon me?
Do you talk to me?
Oh, yes, I'm asking you, do you have a question?
I will watch your video. I will watch your video for what I'm supposed to do in the next step.
Okay.
So if I have any question, may I like text you?
Absolutely. I want to share one thing before you leave. Yeah, I want you to watch the videos. Watch the videos. And then if you have a question, email me, okay? Email me prior to the next class.
Okay. Is the recording you will post tonight, right? Or tomorrow?
Yes, I will.
Okay. Thank you.
Mr. W, the only thing I have is I forgot how to actually make the mini boxes inside the offset for the tub.
Okay. You're going to be adding your addition to the existing structure. Is that right?
Yeah, but you wanted me to make the 5-foot tub, remember?
Oh, the little offset for the tub?
Yeah. And
Okay.
then I'll start, yep, and then I'll start my addition of the kitchen.
Okay. So now you having problems with that?
Yeah, I've been trying to put it in here, but it keeps deleting it every time I try to put the 5 in there.
Okay. All right. Share the screen with me. Let me talk about it. For the rest of you guys, unless let me see, Charles. Charles has a question. I talked to Jira. Nate's okay. I'll see you guys on Wednesday. It's imperative that you keep working on this model outside of class. If you get stuck with a particular issue, just email me, okay? All right.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Okay, yes.
Thank
Yes,
you.
yes, you're welcome. You're welcome. All right. Now, okay, Charles.
Yes, sir.
Charles, from the upper corner, inside corner,
Yep, right. Here.
inside corner. Okay, inside corner. Okay, go to the go to the measuring tool. Okay, so select the point to the upper left inside corner. Okay, left. Okay, right inside, right there. Okay, good. All right, so now bring your cursor down, keep it on axis, and type in 5 feet. 5 feet. 5 feet.
Mr. W. Smart. Here we go. All right. I hate it when it does this.
Okay, you know when you start right there. Okay, there we go. Now enter that, please. 5 feet. There we go. Good. All right. So now from that point there, use your line tool and draw a line it's going to be horizontal to the right, and that dimension of that line is going to be 2 feet 4 inches. Okay, so just enter that. Okay, so now draw a line down from that point using the line tool so that it meets the other walls. Good. All right, so now I want you to go to from that point that you have right there. I want you to go back to the tape measure, okay, and draw a thickness of the line, the width of the line is going to be 4 inches to the right of that point. Yep, 4 inches from that point. 4 inches. Okay. Nope, I don't see the point there. Okay, there we go. Okay, so just type in 4 inches right now.
There we go.
Good. All right, so now draw a line straight up from that point. Use the line tool. That's fine. Okay, but okay, now you don't have to go that far, Charles. Stop right there. That's good.
All right.
Draw a line. Okay, good. All right, so now you got to give the other wall a 4-inch thickness. Type in 4 inches. Good. All right, so now connect that from that point using line tool. And take the line past the other wall.
All right.
Okay, right, that's fine.
And then grab the eraser, right?
Yep, erase the lines that you don't need.
All righty.
Okay, all right, so now look at the floor plan, right? You need to draw a line. Let me, okay. How can I explain it? I have to show you, Charles. Could you stop sharing for a second?
All right.
Oh, geez. Oh, my. Let me,
The bathtub is supposed to be a little,
hold on. Let me see. There we go. All right. You see how this wall here is clear? It's
Yep.
here.
Yep, I see it.
Okay, so what you got to do, you see this line? See this line right here?
Yep.
And all the way down, right? So that you can create a separation, so you can go back and erase this wall right in there. If you understand.
Okay.
Do you understand what I'm saying, Charles?
Yep, I erased it.
Okay. All right, so now share the screen with me now. Oh, okay, but you got to create the corner. You haven't created the corner. Look at the existing drawing. You need to add another line there. You only erase one line.
What am I erasing?
Can't erase it yet. You got to draw a line first.
Oh, my bad.
There we go. Downward, down. Okay.
You should have connected.
Mm-hmm. So now you can erase it. So Charles, what's going to help you? I'm going to show you what's going to help you. Could you erase that line right there? Mm-hmm. Not that line. Yeah. Well, okay. That's good. That's good.
Okay.
But other line that's going across, right?
Right. So you want to erase this one right here?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So now you need to add your addition to this model. So now you have to go back to your enlarged plan.
Okay.
Go back to your enlarged plan. So let me see if I can print that out while you're looking for it. Let me see if I can print it out.
All right.
Okay, let's go.
I have my large kitchen plan right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna print it out so we can talk about it together. Okay, Charles, you can see my screen, right?
Yep.
See my board?
Yep.
All right. So now you see that your addition is starting. This is the bathroom right here, isn't it?
Yep.
Okay, so your addition is starting right here. So now you need to just, draw this line here in. Okay. So you can you can actually scale it using half-inch scale. Scale the inside dimension from here, inside wall, from inside wall to here, there, okay? And then you're gonna add that to your, you're gonna add it to your existing plan.
Okay.
And then you're gonna give this, these are exterior walls, so they need to be 6 inches, right? So
Yep.
you're gonna draw the inside first. And then you're gonna draw the thickness of the wall, the outside being 6 inches. Is that cool?
Yep.
Okay, go ahead and do that for me.
All right.